Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 12 time part second. In previous class we also write the formulas convert hour into or minute into second or days into hour. Today we will study how to convert one unit to another unit. Now we start. Then 3 days into hours, days into convert our days into hours. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Then first solution, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. We have how many days now here? 3 days. 3 days is equal to 24 into 3, that is 72 hours. Understand you? Another question, 2 days, 5 hours. Convert 2 days, 5 hours. Here again you write the solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 2 days, 5 hours is equal to 2 into 24 into 2 plus 5 hours is equal to 24 2 ja 48 plus 5 is equal to 53 hours. Understand you? Now hour into days. Next convert hours into minute. Convert hours into minute. 3 hours into minute. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Then solution, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Listen, bigger unit to smaller unit, any rupees, paise, any unit measurement, any unit, bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply, smaller to bigger unit we divide. Here which is smaller? Hour is smaller, minute is smaller, we multiply by 60. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 3 hours is equal to 60 into 3, that is 180 minutes. Understand you? Then next another question, 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes into minute. 2 hours 40 minute into minute. Then 1 hour is equal to how many minute? 60 minute. Then 2 hours 40 minute is equal to 60 into 2 plus 40. Then 120 plus 40 is equal to 160 minutes. Understand it? Now, next convert minute into second. Minute into second. 3 minute into second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 3 minute is equal to 60 into 3, that is 180 second. Then next question, 4 minute 15 second. 4 minute 15 second. Solution, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Then 4 minute 15 seconds is equal to 4 multiply 60 plus 15 second. Then 240 plus 15. Then 255 seconds. Now, five 525 minutes into hour and minutes. 525 minutes into hour and minute. We minute into hour we divide by 60. Minute into hour we divide by 60. You write 1 minute solution. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hour. Therefore, how many minutes we have? 525 minutes is equal to 525 divided by 60. You know the table of 60? No. You write the table of 6. Then here this 6, then 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, then 48, 54, then 60. You write this way. Then you put 0 here. This type you 0 put. Then this type you make the table of 60. Now you look here. We divide this number 525 divided by 60. First you look here, 60 is greater, 5 is greater, 60 is greater. You take a 2 digit. Now you look, 60 is greater, 52 is greater, 60 is greater. Now you look, 525 is greater, 60, 525. How many times, the table of 60, how many times go in 525? Here, look here, this 480 and 540 in the middle of, in the between, this number come in between 480 and 540. Therefore, you take, this is not take you, no, this is bigger number, you take this number, just, how many times gone? 8 jar, 6, 8 jar, 48, then 0. Then subtract this number, then 5, then 4, 4 come, this cutter, this 12, okay. Then you write this is our hour, this is our minute. Then our answer is 6, 8 here. 8 hours, then 45 minutes. Then our quotient is our hours, then our remainder is our minute. Understand you? 8 hours, 45 minutes. Now, next question. Second into minute and second. (325 seconds into minute and second). Then you write the solution. 1 second is equal to 1/60 minute. Then 325 seconds is equal to 325 upon 60. Again you divide this number, 325 divided by 60. How many times gone? 60, the table you write here, the table of 60, how many times gone? This is not gone, this is bigger in this number, how many times? 5 times. 5, 300. Then this is your minute, this is your second. Answer 5 minutes, then 25 seconds. Understand you? Then next, year into 3 years, 48 days into days. Now our question, years into days. 1 year in ordinary year, we take the in ordinary year. 1 year is equal to 365 days. First we write solution. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then 3 years 48 days is equal to 365 multiply 3 plus 48. First you multiply 365 into 3. Then multiply this 15, 18, 19, then 10, then plus this number 48 also plus 14, 1, 1. Answer is 1143 days. Understand you? Year into days. Then next, year into month. Year into month. 2 years, 5 months into months. 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. We multiply by months. Solution. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 2 years, 5 months is equal to 2 into 12 plus 5 months. Then 2 12s are 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 months. You understand this? You do this homework in notebook. Okay, thank you.